Daniel is always busy between work, school, and family commitments, but he doesn't want to eat fast food nor processed prepackaged meals. It's a headache trying to put together a healthy meal. Daniel wants to put together a variety of meals because he wants to try new recipes. Daniel likes to use this new mobile app because it has a lot of recipes to choose from. And once the recipe has been chosen, the app lists all the ingredients and links the locations of all the ingredients in the supermarket he chooses. Because Daniel is always busy, he does not want to get distracted from his task of getting just the ingredients he needs while in the grocery store. The app helps him navigate and locate the items in the store. He is very happy because the app saves him a lot of time. The app works like a car navigation app, guiding him through the store and aisles by choosing the fastest route. Once home, Daniel presses a button that is underneath the recipe he chooses that is marked YouTube link that shows him how to prepare the recipe. Thank you for following along with the storyboard, and this was for my human-computer interaction class. Bye.